What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a first for us here on the channel. We're looking at the Nethers undercut trimmers. These are manscaping groin and body shavers, and I've got their full kit here in the studio for me to look at, and today I'm just going to showcase it. Don't worry, I'm just going to be showcasing what it offers. Basically, I'm not going to go into a lot when it comes to the actual usage details here for obvious awkward reasons, but the box set here comes complete with the shaver itself, a refill blade, cleaning brush, USB charger, and an adjustable guide comb. Looking first at the trimmer itself, the most important part of the kit, it features what they call Nethers safe technology, and that in a nutshell means it's just safe for your underluggage. It also features a 6,000 RPM ultra quiet motor, so it doesn't sound like you're taking a weed whacker to the Amazon. And of course, it's shower safe and waterproof because, you know, you need that when you're doing that. The battery life now is also pretty good in my opinion. It offers 90 minutes of pure pebble patch pruning power, say that 3 times fast, before needing to be recharged, which is super easy with the provided cable. Once again too, it comes with the adjustable guide combs if you need those. It comes with a 3 to 6 millimeter guide and a 9 to 12 millimeter guide. Now the key to making this work, all joking aside, the key to making this work is through the use of a trimming head that allows for the job to get done without being too rough on the skin, using a compact rust-resistant and replaceable ceramic shaving clipper head with tightly spaced teeth that only targets hair and helps avoid those nicks and snags no matter how coarse the hair is. They also recommend you change the blade, which you can pretty much do with one hand. It just pops right off, pops right on, super easy. But they recommend that you replace that every 3 months, so the kit actually comes with one on the shaver and then one in the box, so you have up to 6 months of use right out of the box. I will now volunteer as tribute to try and show you this on my arm here. As you can see, it does feel good in the hand too. You can get a nice good grip on it. It's not slippery, and overall there's nothing to that part really. There's nothing really much to say. Using it though is very easy. You can see that it glides right over there. No nicks, no irritation. I don't feel anything. It's not pulling hair off my arm or anything like that. It's pretty much just gliding straight over it. I do realize that there is a big difference between what this is intended for and using it on my arm, but we're just gonna stay right there for now, and that'll just have to do. You can though find this set on a few places, the easiest being Amazon. I will link it right there in the description for you. It's $52.90 US right now, or you can order it from sgpomades.com. They do ship worldwide too, and both will be linked in the description for you. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments section what your opinion is. I'm always interested in hearing what your opinion is, so let me know in the comments section what you thought of this video and this trimmer here. And while you're there, make sure you do the usual for me. You know, like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe. Hit the button there. That's a huge deal, so make sure you do that. Thank you very much in advance. That is it for today. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.